Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Cryptography VPN project using Python. So it will be the home page and you just have to click on the power button, so it will open the chatting page. Okay, like you can see, it will show the client side and server side. Whenever message sending by the client, then it will goes to the server. Like first we'll say hello, okay, and the server will reply, say who are you, okay, and then server will reply, and what is your name, and the final is quit, okay, and press enter. So this is the complete project. This project based on Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the user interface. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.